Trimtex shower bead alternatives include several readily available drywall trims and practical build-up techniques when the specialty profile is out of stock. Start by considering a regular J-bead made of PVC or aluminum as the simplest direct substitute. Install it by scoring the drywall edge, securing the bead with corrosion-resistant drywall nails or adhesive, and mudding both faces for a watertight finish. Use a combined corner bead plus a flexible caulk where curves or movement are expected, applying a backer bead or foam tape behind the caulk to maintain adhesion and prevent three-sided adhesion failures. For a more finished flush look, match the bead depth by bedding a thin shim of setting-type joint compound behind the bead, then feathering 2 to 3 coats, sanding between coats with a fine grit sanding block, and using a damp sponge to remove dust before final skim. If you prefer metal, use a tapered edge trim and apply rust-inhibiting primer on exposed cuts. When installing, allow a hairline gap for movement and seal with a mildew-resistant silicone where it meets tile or waterproof membranes. When online ordering is an option, measure twice and order one size larger to allow for cutting mistakes, and check shipping lead times against your project schedule to avoid delays. For small gaps or custom profiles, build a backing strip from cement board or thin-set mortar, layered and shaped with a trowel, allow proper cure, then skim with polymer fortified compound for adhesion to tile adhesives. Common issues include edge cracking from movement when a rigid bead is used on flexible substrates. Solve it by using a flexible vinyl bead or incorporate a flexible caulk joint to isolate movement. Another frequent problem is poor adhesion caused by dirty or dusty edges. Fix this by cleaning with a damp cloth, drying fully, and using a compatible primer or adhesive recommended for the bead material. Third, uneven finishes happen when the bead depth does not match the drywall thickness or tile buildup. Correct this by shimming the bead with thin strips of setting compound or thin backer board, feathering multiple coats, and sanding carefully between coats to achieve a flush plane. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors by letting us list profiles and connect directly with professionals who work on trim and shower installations, and we help contractors find work by offering a visible platform to showcase completed projects and client reviews. We also host a discussion community where we, our members, and contractors exchange tips on alternatives, installation techniques, and availability solutions.